Hello and welcome to our preview of lesson number 7 in our breakthrough course tailored just for you, the credit repair business owner. Today we're tackling a subject that's really at the heart of our industry, crafting persuasive credit repair letters that just work. Have you ever wondered what makes a letter either connect or fail? You ever wondered how to enhance your influence over the creditors or the credit bureaus? Well, in lesson number 7, we're uncovering all of those answers, okay? Together, we're going to dive into the art of persuasive language, learning, and how to create compelling narratives. We'll explore how to tailor your letters to specific audiences, making them both relevant and persuasive. We're also going to focus on clarity, on compliance, on ensuring your messages are legal, clear, and really impactful. We feel that that's very important. We've dedicated an entire lesson to it. But that's not all. We'll unlock the powerful techniques to create calls to action that truly inspire, turning your words into catalysts for change. Now just step back for just a minute and imagine the satisfaction of seeing positive results from learning this stuff. Knowing what you've mastered, it's really the art of persuasion. This is just a glimpse of lesson number 7. It's just the beginning. There's a ton of insights and strategies waiting to transform your credit repair business into a persuasive powerhouse. So don't miss out. Immerse yourself in the full course today. All right, and stay tuned for lesson number 8, where we're going to continue to delve into the world of credit repair with ChatGPT, focusing on ethical practices and legal insights. Your journey to success is right there, okay? And you don't want to miss what we have in store for you. So I'll see you on the inside.